Welcome back to the channel, Tech Fans. We've got something really special to share with you today. If you're someone who cherishes the warm embrace of analog sound, who believes that music deserves to be heard with every nuance, then get ready, because the product we're diving into today is about to change your listening game. I'm talking about the Douk P7 Phono Preamp, a vacuum tube turntable preamplifier that promises to elevate your audio experience to breathtaking new heights. So what makes the Douk P7 so special? At its core, it's a versatile powerhouse designed to breathe new life into your music. Whether you're connecting a classic turntable, a CD player, or even your phone, the P7 acts as both a high-fidelity phono preamp and a superb tube preamp, enriching the sound with that unmistakable warmth and clarity only vacuum tubes can deliver. It doesn't just amplify, it transforms, revealing details in your favorite tracks you might never have noticed before. But that's just scratching the surface. Let's talk about the heart of its sonic magic, the true tube amplification. Inside the P7, you'll find brand new PSVANE ECC83 tubes, driven at a robust 180 volts. What does this mean for your ears? It means a warmth, a sweetness, and a rich harmonic depth that solid-state preamps simply can't replicate. Imagine your favorite jazz record, the saxophone soaring with a luscious texture, or a classical piece where every string resonates with captivating fullness. The tubes unlock the full potential of analog sound, giving your music an organic, lifelike presence. And for the tinkerers among us, these tubes are easily swappable, allowing you to tailor the sound profile to your exact preferences. How cool is that for customizing your audio journey? Now, for those of you with more serious audio setups, or if you simply demand the absolute cleanest signal, the P7 offers something truly remarkable: its balanced XLR output. While standard RCA connections are perfectly capable, the P7 takes it a step further with true balanced XLR outputs. This isn't just a fancy connector, it's a game changer for reducing noise and significantly improving dynamic range. When connected to compatible amplifiers or active speakers, you're treated to crystal clear audio with a remarkably wider soundstage. Picture yourself immersed in music, where instruments are precisely placed, and the entire sonic landscape feels expansive and distortion-free. This feature ensures your audio signal remains pristine from the preamp to your speakers, letting you hear your music exactly as the artist intended. But what about those pesky vibrations and low-frequency rumblings that can muddy your vinyl playback? The Douk P7 has a brilliant solution: its integrated high-pass filter, or HPF. This intelligent filter, active only when using the phono input, meticulously cuts off subsonic noise below 20 Hz. Think of it as a sonic cleanup crew that eliminates turntable rumble and other ultra-low frequency disturbances that can degrade your sound without you even realizing it. The user benefit here is huge. You get a much cleaner, more focused playback, with reduced distortion and improved sound clarity. Your records will truly come alive, revealing better dynamics and a pristine audio image that makes every listening session a pure joy. It's like wiping a dusty window clean to see the view more clearly. And for those who love to fine-tune their sound, the P7 doesn't disappoint. With precise bass and treble controls, you can customize your sound profile to perfectly match your room acoustics, your speakers, or simply your personal taste. Want a little more punch in the low end or some extra sparkle in the highs? You've got it. But if you're a purist who prefers the original, unaltered audio signal, simply engage the bypass mode. This gives you full control, ensuring your listening experience is exactly how you want it. The Douk P7 Phono Preamp isn't just another piece of audio equipment. It's an invitation to rediscover your music collection. With unparalleled clarity, warmth, and depth, it's a versatile, high-performance device that caters to both the meticulous audiophile and anyone simply looking to get the best out of their analog setup. From its mesmerizing tube amplification to its pristine XLR output and rumble-busting HPF, the P7 delivers a listening experience that is truly immersive and unforgettable. So, if you're ready to transform your sound and fall in love with your music all over again, the Douk P7 is an investment you won't regret. Don't just listen to music, experience it. You deserve to hear every note, every emotion, exactly as it was meant to be. Find the link to the Douk Audio P7 in the description below, along with more detailed specs. If you enjoyed this review, please hit that like button, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and let us know in the comments what you think of this incredible preamp. Until next time, keep listening, keep exploring, and keep your audio